Hello dear fans. Fauna of Israel, some information. The fauna of Israel is very rich. In this country you can meet amazing animals and birds. There are several dozen species of mammals and several hundred species of birds in Israel. The fauna of Israel is about 80 species of mammals. Of the large species, it is relatively common to see the gazelle, gazella, and the Nubian goat, Capra nubiana. In arid areas near the Dead Sea, there is a caracal, desert lynx, Felis caracal, a hyena, and various species of foxes. Porcupines are also found in Israel. Of the many birds, over 500 species, including migratory, the most prominent are the pelican, Pelecanus onocrotalus, countless heron species, and some predators. Small flamingos, Phoeniconias minor, nest on the coast of the Red Sea. Another interesting bird species in Israel is the hoopoe. The hoopoe, Upupa epops, as a result of a national vote in 2008, was elected the state bird of Israel. One of the arguments in his favor was the frequent mention of the hoopoe in the Bible. Among several dozen species of snakes, there are very poisonous and dangerous to humans Epha, Echis colorata, and the Palestinian viper, Vipera palestini. There are also unique mammals in Israel. These can be attributed to the daemon. The origin and naming of the hyrax, a small animal the size of a cat, very popular in Israel, is so unusual that zoologists singled out hyrax into a single order. Their closest relatives were elephants, as well as dugongs, the rarest marine mammals that never leave the water. In the nature of the hyrax, caution fights desperate curiosity. When a person appears, the animals instantly hide. Thanks for watching.